Alright, I spent 10 minutes figuring out what the hell I'm going to do here. Damn, I don't want to pull this motor out of here. What amount of pain in the ass that's going to be. And I got to pull this primary off too. No gaskets for. What an endless amount of work. Basically pulling the whole damn bike apart. I ain't got time for all this shit. Shit. But it ain't gonna run the way it is, so it is what it is. I don't see any easy way of working on this piece of crap. What we got over here? Everything I look at is just more work, more work, more work. The hell's holding this damn bracket up on here? Looks like it's been all welded back together anyway. I don't know how the hell this stupid thing comes off. What a bunch of crap. Who designed this stupid thing? If it welded on, there's no bolt back there. That is probably welded on. No screws on this. Yep, all hidden. Probably in bolts from the other side over there. So it looks like the footboard's got to come off, and you got to pull the kickstand assembly off, and this big ass half-inch boilerplate bracket here comes off. And that all has to come off to get the primary off. Yeah. Damn it. What a big piece of crap. All this shit's worn out. Lever's loose on the tranny. What a shocker. Tranny's probably junk too. What an endless amount of work. No time to do it. They got bolts all the way around. What kind of a cover is that? Yeah, stupid. Oh, because you can't get this stupid cover off up here. Gotta get over that lip. The problem is there's more than just that lip there. You got this lip here, but then you got a bolt. It's just the frame is too sticking close. Almost can go that way, but the problem is the cover can't rotate that way. Frame's in the way. Alright, well. If there's some way I can push on this thing, I would. I don't know how flexible this frame is. Alright, let's find out. I need some tools. Let's see, I need one of these. these. Right here. I need 2 of these over here. I need some wood like this to leverage on. Let's see if we can break something. Got nothing loose. It's just Sportster crap. It's got to come apart anyway, so it doesn't really make much difference what you break. Cut the damn frame in half again and put it where it belongs. Re-weld it back together might be a better plan. Pretty stout. We should bolt it back together. We need some Allen bolts though. These stupid 12-point bolts I don't like. Too hard to work with. Performance upgrade. Won't be the first, won't be the last upgrade. There we go. Real tool. Okay. What an improvement that was. definitely does help. I need more weight. Okay, how are we going to do weight? Leverage. Leverage takes pressure. Ratchet tie down. We'll be back.